Hello everyone! Today we're going to recognize the letter G, and at the end we're going to get a special sticker. Are you ready? Let's go! Letter G. What sound does the G make? G, G, G sound. It's a bouncy sound. Shall we write letter G? So we're going to start from the top. Going to go over and then curl down and then go up to the middle and across halfway. Well done. Letter G. Shall we write the G, G sound? Going to start from the top, go around all the way up, then come down and give it a curl. Well done. The G, G, G sound. Now, can you see the letter G? Let's name these letters and then find the letter G. A, B, G. Can you point to the letter G? Well done. Fantastic job. Well done. Now we have 3 more letters and we're going to find the letter G. C, G, F. Can you point to the letter G? Fantastic job. Well done. Can you see the G sound? Let's sound the letters. D, G, K. Can you point to the G sound? Well done. You found the G sound. Now we have 3 more letters and we're going to find the sound, the G, G sound. K, B, G. Can you point to the G sound? Super job. Well done. Now we have to look for the G sound. And when we find the G sound, we're going to color it red. Well done. Let's have a look. Well done. You found the first G. Super job. Well done. Are there any more? Well done. Let's see if there's any more. Well done. The last G. So we found 4 G sounds. Well done. Now we're going to find the letter G. Are you ready? Let's go and find the first one. Super job, well done. Let's look for next one. Oh, fantastic job, well done. Are there any more? Yes, well done. Let's have a look to see if you can spot any more. Fantastic job, well done. What do you say? You found another one? Well done. Super job, well done. Which picture starts with the G sound? Let's name the pictures. Spoon. Glass. Pan. It's not the spoon. It's not the pan. Well done. It is the glass. Glass. Now 3 more pictures. Which picture starts with the G sound? Orange. Apple. Grapes. It's not the orange. It's not the apple. Well done. It's the grapes. Super job. Well done. Now we have 3 pictures here, and we're going to look for the picture that starts with the letter G. D for donkey. G for giraffe. F for fish. So it's not D for donkey. It's not F for fish. Well done. G for giraffe. Fantastic job. Well done. Let's think about a word that starts with the G sound. Gift. Gift. Well done. Super work. Well done, everyone. Super work. Well done. Now, are you ready for the sticker? Let's have a look. Wow, we got a unicorn sticker. Fantastic job. Well done. All right, bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.